Want to save your favorite HandBrake settings so you don't have to configure them every time? HandBrake lets you create and save custom presets that you can reuse for future videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save presets in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and open a video using open source. Select the settings you normally use for your videos. Configure things like the video encoder, quality, dimensions, audio, subtitles, and any other options you want to reuse. Next, configure HandBrake exactly how you want your future encodes to work. For example, you might choose H.264 or H.265, adjust the quality, select your preferred audio settings, and choose a suitable output format. Take a moment to review everything before saving the preset, because these settings will be reused later. Once your settings are ready, open the presets menu and choose the option to create or save a new preset. Give your preset a clear name that tells you what it's designed for, such as web video, YouTube, or small file size. Now review the preset options before saving. Depending on your HandBrake version, you may be able to choose the preset's output format, resolution, behavior, and other settings. Make sure the preset matches the type of videos you plan to process most often. After saving, open the presets menu again and look for your new custom preset. It should now appear alongside the other available presets. You can select it whenever you want to apply the same settings to another video. Finally, open another video and select your saved preset. Review the settings, choose your output destination, and start a short test in code. So if everything looks right, you can use this preset for future videos without rebuilding the settings from scratch. And that's how to save presets in HandBrake. Configure your preferred settings, create a custom preset, give it a useful name, and test it on another video. Saved presets can save a lot of time when you regularly encode videos using the same settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.